What's my favorite video game?
You really think me gonna know your favorite video game?
It's a question to know how well you know me.
I guess I don't, because I don't know your favorite video. I don't even know one video game. Sorry.
Wagwan people, welcome to another episode of Poppy Show. So in today's episode, our sons will be asking both Latoya and myself questions. It's gonna be the same questions, but separate, to see who knows them best, right? So this is my 13-year-old, his name is
Malik.
And my 7-year-old, his name is IJ. They both prepared 5 questions. We don't know what the questions are. They're gonna ask us and see which one of us know them best, okay? If it's the first time you're seeing Poppy Show,
make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications.
So, how are we gonna decide who's gonna go first?
You rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, both of y'all go then.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god.
A few moments later.
We're gonna be here all night. Really?
Oh my god, you always win.
so Malik will go first.
Question number 1. What's my favorite food for dinner?
Your favorite food for dinner? That's corned beef and rice.
Yeah.
So, your favorite food... Oh my god, I better get this right. Alright, your favorite food for dinner would be corned beef and rice.
Yes.
Winnings! I wonder if Dan got it right. Don't tell me. We'll find out.
Your first question, IJ.
What's my favorite food for dinner too?
You're gonna get it wrong.
I'm gonna get it wrong? Alright, so your favorite food for dinner. Why do you have to ask me that question? But you love everything though.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Not everything.
Alright,
There's something
alright.
I like.
Okay, so your favorite food for dinner. I think it's... Oh god. This is a hard one, because you love a lot of stuff. This one is tough.
No, Mom, there's something I like a lot, very much.
Do I make it a lot for you?
Yeah, something that's kind of what we just had for dinner.
Tin mackerel?
Yeah.
And rice?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have got that if you didn't say it.
Yeah, because you were so confused that I had to give you a hint.
Your favorite food is corned beef and rice too? What?
Oh, I changed my mind because corned beef always has like those like little things outside. So I changed my mind to mackerel rice.
Mackerel and rice?
Yeah.
Okay, mackerel and rice.
I don't know if I really like corned beef anymore. I used to like it in the past, but I'm not sure if I really want to eat it anymore.
Okay, so mackerel and rice. Malik, your next question.
Who is my favorite soccer player?
Your favorite soccer player? I want to say it's Rashford.
No.
No.
It's not Rashford? When did you switch from Rashford though? Is he on Manchester United?
Yes.
Wan-Bissaka?
No.
Oh my gosh, you're
Oh.
so bad.
Hold on. Jesse Lingard?
Oh my,
What the hell?
dude, that's close though.
Okay, one more. Pogba. Oh my god, I should have known that, guys.
Yeah, that's so close.
Oh my god, he even hasn't had one of the Pogba jersey. I should have known that.
Favorite soccer? Pogba?
Yes.
Malik, yours are easy, bro. Pogba.
Make it to it.
Okay, IJ, your next question.
What is my best dinosaur?
Your best dinosaur? IJ, you know I can't pronounce them names there, you know.
What's your best dinosaur?
Yeah, like my favorite.
Your favorite dinosaur?
Yeah.
A triceratops?
That's like the lamest dinosaur ever. It's the T-Rex, man.
A T-Rex?
I keep having to tell you my answers.
Oh my goodness. Man,
Dude.
I haven't gotten one right for IJ yet.
Dude, the T-Rex is literally a king of the dinosaurs. Why would I pick Triceratops?
How am I supposed to know?
Tegosaurus?
What?
What on earth is that?
I thought there was.
That's not even
A
a dinosaur.
Tegosaurus?
I thought there was one called a Tegosaurus. There's one with a T name.
Wait.
Oh my god, this is not working out. It start with a T then. All right, I'm gonna say.
You mean Stegosaurus? That's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an ST. The S is the first one.
Oh. Man,
Guys, she's
this
very
is hard.
bad.
I don't know. I give up.
Okay, my best dinosaur is the T-Rex.
Oh, the T-Rex.
How could you not get?
Everyone knows the T-Rex.
My second was actually the Emperor of the dinosaurs.
The Emperor who?
The what?
The Emperor of the dinosaurs.
Who's that?
Emperor.
The Giganotosaurus.
The Gigana what?
Yeah, he's like 5 times bigger than the T-Rex.
The
Man,
Giganotosaurus.
I can't pronounce these.
Yeah, he's
these-
like, guys, he's
It's
like,
too much for me.
he's like 10 times bigger than the T-Rex. Actually, I don't think it was that big. I think it was just like 5.
All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Okay, Mr. Dinosaur Scientist.
I'm a paleontologist.
Opinion who?
Paleontologist.
Paleontologist. Let's move on to the next question, sir.
Question number 3. What's my favorite fast food restaurant?
The heck?
Favorite fast food restaurant? Sonic's?
No.
What?
What? You always eat
McDonald's.
Sonics.
McDonald's?
What? Do you always ask for a Sonic every single night?
I
That's if
know.
mom asks me. And I say yes.
Oh wow.
Your favorite fast food restaurant would be McDonald's. Ooh, ooh, McDonald's. McDonald's. Ooh, ooh. Okay, your question.
What YouTube video do I watch?
YouTube video you always watch?
Yeah.
Kindly key in? Oh my god.
Sis versus Bro.
Oh. Sis versus bro?
Yeah, I did that to sort of trick you.
Oh my
So I was watching that the whole time until the video came up.
Man, I can't get I guess I don't know IJ.
Yeah. I'm a bit too smart for him.
God.
Every Saturday, Sunday morning.
Oh, so you have a special video that you watch on Saturdays and Sundays?
No, like when you're doing laundry, you come in my room to put my clothes.
Bro and sis.
Well, actually sis is at the front.
So sis and bro.
Sis? Okay, those are the verses.
Yes.
But it's the same thing though, right?
Yeah, so sis. Yeah, you got it right. It was sis versus.
Did that? Oh no, I don't want to know if that got it right. All right.
But you got it right, though.
Winnings. Whew.
What's my favorite video game?
You really think me gonna know your favorite video game?
It's a question to know how well you know me.
I guess I don't because I don't know your favorite video. I don't even know one video game. Sorry.
FIFA?
Yes.
Dude, if I was telling, I would say Fortnite. It was actually FIFA.
Yeah, it is FIFA.
What? I thought it was Fortnite. You always play Fortnite with your friends.
Your next question, let's see.
What is my favorite subject?
Favorite subject, man, I don't know. Science?
Yeah, you got it right. What? Science. You
Science.
get a point.
Your favorite subject?
Yeah.
I think your favorite subject is math.
No. It was close to math though. It's science.
Science?
Yeah, I love science. It teaches you so much stuff.
So that's the end of the questions?
No, one more.
Okay.
Just one more.
What's my favorite color?
Your favorite color is red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Winnings.
Favorite color? That's not easy, that's the hardest one. I don't even know you had a favorite color. Black?
Red.
What?
Oh yeah, that's right. Because Dad, don't you like red?
Maybe.
I mean, you two both said that it was red. What do I do first when I wake up?
What's the first thing you do when you wake up? I know it's not brush your teeth because I always have to say, IJ, did you brush your teeth?
Ask for breakfast.
Yeah. I never brush my teeth in the morning.
You ask for breakfast?
Yeah. Dad and Mom has to tell me to brush my teeth.
The first thing you do when you wake in the mornings is to turn the TV on and be watching some crazy, foolish stuff.
No. I can't eat breakfast.
I asked you guys for breakfast.
Yeah, that is true. You do eat breakfast before everybody else in the house.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah, because no wonder I have fluffy hands.
You have fluffy hands?
Yeah, what's that? Although I still have muscle though.
Andre, you're so funny. But you know what, guys? This was so much fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
So guys, we hope you liked this video.
Yeah.
Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to turn notifications on so you can see whenever Poppy Show drops a new video, okay? Until next time, peace.